Welcome back to Eye in the Sky Drones, where we do drone tech, video tech, all your DJI needs, about to be Autel needs. But today we're going to do something a little bit different on my channel. I'm going to tell you beforehand, if you like this type of stuff, like and subscribe. But today I want to show you, we always talk about drones, drone footage, the different types of drones. But let's take a look at some of the content we can create with this drone. I've been flying my drone around a lot of places. So I just wanted to show you accumulation of all the photos and videos that I've taken with my drone. Okay, you got a glimpse of some of the items I've captured. This was using the Mavic 3. Some of the older footage is using the older models, but you can see how the footage looks. Do you like it? Is it something you may want to create? Get busy and start creating in your city and see what you can come up with. As always, signing out from Eye in the Sky Drones. Be safe and have fun flying.